Hello friend, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kish. Today we will start to learn variable. Variables are used to store information. Variables are reserved memory location to store values. That means when we create a variable, we reserve some space in memory. A valid variable name consists of letters, number and the dot or underline character. The variable name starts with a letter or the dot but not followed by a number. Here is some example of valid variable and some example of invalid variable. This variable consists only alphabet, underscore, number, so it is valid. These all are example of valid variable, but these are not valid because it this contains percentage symbol. This is start with a number. This is start with dot but followed by a number. So it is invalid. And this variable is start with underscore. So it is also invalid. Now we will see operators. An operator is a symbol that perform a specific mathematical or logical manipulation. Type of operator. There are five type of operator in R. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator and miscellaneous operator. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, remainder and question. Now relational operator. Relational operator are greater than, less than, equals to, less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals to. Logical operator. Logical operator is and or not. Here is use of and or and not. And it returns true if both conditions are true, otherwise false. Or it returns false if both conditions are false, otherwise true. Not. It makes true to false and false to true. Assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign value. This is left assignment operator and this is right assignment operator. Miscellaneous operator. Miscellaneous operator is colon which create series of numbers and percent in percent. It identifies an element belong to a vector. Now we will see some program on operator. Write 3 plus 2. Run it. It gave 5. Write 4 minus 3. It will give 1. Write 4 modulus 3. It will give 1. This is 1 is the remainder of 4 divided by 3. Write 5 it will give quotient 2. Now see some relational operator. 4 is less than 6. Run it. True. 5 is greater than 4. True. Now we will see assignment operator. We can assign a value to a variable like a is equals to 4 and print a equals to 4. We can also assign using a 3 print a. sorry, here A assigned to 3. Now run it. 3. We can also assign using assign function. Run it. Sorry, A must continue colon. Now run it. A is equals to 8. Thank you.